Right. Obviously, you've spoken to the Running Security guys and they voiced your concerns in relation to them coming out the other side of the property. They've been requested to come out and check to see if there was any water or anything like that coming from the property outside.
They know we have no water.
These guys.
And they know they're not allowed to come onto our land at all.
Right. What he has said, he has been asked by his employer to check to see. He's not aware of which particular piece of land's in dispute. He's been asked to, so he said he's opened the door and looked out. He can't see any water.
He came onto the land and then he went back in. So I don't understand why he needs to come out again.
Right. He's been advised to speak to his employer because I understand there's been some wood lattered against the back of the door to prevent them opening it.
We have done now.
Right, yeah, that's but obviously he's explained his concerns because they need a front and back to the property, and he's concerned as being part of his duty, security guard, if something needs to happen, they're only going to have one point of entry and exit. But he's been advised to speak to his employer because that's something obviously that's been challenged through land registry in the civil courts in relation to boundaries and who owns, if there's an implied right of access, anything like that. So he's been advised to contact his employer and they need to sort it out with their property management because
they should have informed him from the beginning that they were in fact they shouldn't have asked him to come out and they know they're not allowed out.
I don't know on an individual basis each particular security guard that turns up at the property. I don't know what people think in respect of the issues with boundaries.
But he did just say that his employer had asked him to come out.
I think Northumberland Water were here earlier today, weren't they?
Yeah, they were.
I did say a ban.
Yeah.
Aye.
I can't comment, it would be purely speculation on my behalf. I don't know the conversation, wasn't privy to any information between Northumbrian Water and the occupants.
I was talking to them that today, no?
I wasn't here. We haven't spoken to Northumbrian Water, they don't know.
Have you made them aware that they have no rights of access to come out the front?
Yes.
Well, that's actually absolute fact.
We've obviously, we're not here, we don't know who has which property, which piece of land, that's what's in dispute. Obviously you're making the claim that it's...
Oh no, I can actually show you that.
Right. I'm not disputing that because it's not my forte. So you're out there, all his concerns are, as somebody doing the job, is have they got an address to the property? So he's been advised to speak to his employer, and obviously it's going to be down to their property management, legal teams.
If they say that they'd come back out, what will happen then?
That's speculation. If that happens, contact us.
And will you come straight out?
If we're in a position to send out a resource at that time, we can send somebody out. Obviously we're response officers, and I don't know whether somebody will be available at that precise time. However, if we do report it, an officer will be allocated at the incident.
So, just to make sure, they're not going to attempt to come out the front door here?
They have been advised that we've spoken to yourselves and you have told us that the land out that front is your property. We can't confirm or deny that because that's down to who's dealing with the property and land dispute.
Well, I can show you that now. That's not a problem.
Right, I'm not here to check documents. I don't...
No, but it's getting the facts though, isn't it?
Yeah, but without... Obviously you've spoken to a number of people, police officers and legal teams and whatever. So yeah, I would take it up with the land registry or property management if you have, sort of who's dealing with the boundaries.
Well, they know who owns it and we know who owns it. I just need to know that they're not going to come out here. I don't need to take it to the land registry, that's already sorted.
If there's any
They
problems,
just have more access.
contact us.
Right, okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's sorted. See you later.
See you, thank you.